Everything is energy. From the smallest particle to the vast expanse of the universe, everything vibrates with life and potential. We vibrate at different frequencies. These frequencies shape our experiences, our emotions, and our interactions with the world around us. Love and gratitude are the highest. They are the purest forms of energy, resonating at frequencies that elevate our spirits and connect us to the divine. When we feel these emotions, our energy soars. We become beacons of light, attracting positive experiences and people into our lives. We attract more positivity into our lives. This magnetic pull of love and gratitude creates a ripple effect, influencing not just our immediate surroundings but the entire cosmos. Imagine a world filled with love and gratitude, a place where every action is guided by compassion and every thought is infused with kindness. A world where kindness prevails and joy is abundant. In such a world, conflicts dissolve and harmony reigns supreme. This is the world we create when we choose to vibrate at this high frequency. By embracing love and gratitude, we become co-creators of a reality that reflects our highest aspirations. Love and gratitude are transformative. They have the power to change our perspective, to heal our wounds, and to inspire greatness within us. They have the power to heal, inspire, and uplift. When we focus on these emotions, we unlock a wellspring of creativity and resilience. Embrace these emotions and watch your life transform. Let love and gratitude be your guiding stars, illuminating your path and leading you to a future filled with endless possibilities. Our surroundings profoundly impact our energy. The environment we immerse ourselves in can either uplift us or bring us down. It's a powerful force that shapes our mood, productivity, and overall well-being. A cluttered, disorganized space can drain our energy, making it difficult to focus and complete tasks efficiently. The chaos around us seeps into our minds, creating a sense of confusion and frustration. This often leaves us feeling overwhelmed and stressed, as if we're constantly battling against the disorder. The mental load of a messy environment can be exhausting, affecting our mental health and emotional stability. Conversely, a clean and tidy environment fosters a sense of peace and tranquility. When our surroundings are orderly, our minds can relax and focus on what truly matters. The clarity of a well-organized space can inspire creativity and productivity. It allows positive energy to flow freely, inviting abundance and joy into our lives. The serene atmosphere created by a tidy space can enhance our mood, making us feel more content and at ease. Take a moment to look around your home. Does it spark joy? Your living space should be a reflection of the positive energy you wish to attract. It should be a sanctuary where you can recharge and feel at peace. If not, it might be time to declutter and create a space that reflects the positive energy you want to attract. Start small, perhaps with a single room or even a corner. Gradually, as you clear away the clutter, you'll notice a shift in your energy and mindset. The act of organizing can be therapeutic, providing a sense of accomplishment and control. Remember, your environment is a mirror of your inner state. By cultivating a harmonious space, you invite harmony into your life. So take the first step today and transform your surroundings into a haven of positivity and peace. Our thoughts are potent. They shape our reality. When we focus on negative thoughts, we attract more negativity. On the other hand, positive thoughts attract positive experiences. It's like planting seeds. What we focus on grows. Choose to plant seeds of love, gratitude, and joy. Nurture them with positive affirmations. Watch as your life blossoms with abundance. The first step to raising your vibration is to create space for positive energy. Start by decluttering your home. Keep only items that spark joy. Let go of anything that no longer serves you. This includes physical clutter, negative thoughts, and toxic relationships. By releasing what no longer brings us joy, we create space for new opportunities and experiences to enter our lives. Nature is a powerful source of positive energy. Bringing elements of nature into our homes can significantly impact our well-being. Plants purify the air and bring a sense of peace. Natural light uplifts our mood. Open your windows, let the sunshine in, and surround yourself with greenery. Connect with the grounding energy of nature. Just as we declutter our homes, we must also declutter our minds. Meditation is a powerful tool for calming the mind and releasing negative thoughts. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. Let go of worries and anxieties. Even a few minutes of daily meditation can create a sense of inner peace and clarity, allowing us to approach life with a more positive outlook. Gratitude is a powerful emotion that shifts our focus from what we lack to what we have. It allows us to see the beauty in the simplest of things and to cherish the moments that might otherwise go unnoticed. When we practice gratitude, we open our hearts to the abundance that surrounds us. When we appreciate the good in our lives, we attract more good. This positive energy creates a ripple effect, influencing not only our own well-being but also the lives of those around us. By acknowledging the blessings we have, we set the stage for even greater blessings to come our way. Take time each day to reflect on the things you are grateful for. It could be as simple as a warm cup of coffee in the morning, the smile of a stranger, or the comfort of a cozy home. These small moments of appreciation add up, creating a tapestry of positivity and contentment. It could be your health, your loved ones, or a beautiful sunset. Each of these elements contributes to the richness of our lives. By focusing on what we have rather than what we lack, we cultivate a sense of fulfillment and joy that permeates every aspect of our existence. The more we focus on gratitude, the more we realize how much we have to be thankful for. This awareness helps us to navigate life's challenges with grace and resilience. It reminds us that even in difficult times, there is always something to be grateful for, something that can lift our spirits and give us hope. This positive mindset attracts abundance and joy into our lives. When we live with a grateful heart, we become magnets for positivity. Our relationships improve, our stress levels decrease, and our overall sense of well-being is enhanced. Gratitude is not just a fleeting emotion, it is a way of life that can transform our world from the inside out. Section 8. The Power of Journaling. Reflecting on Gratitude. Journaling is a powerful tool for cultivating gratitude. Each day, write down 3 things you are grateful for. Reflect on why you are grateful for these things. How do they make you feel? By consistently acknowledging and appreciating the good in our lives, we train our minds to focus on the positive, attracting more of it into our reality. And Section 9. Setting intentions, manifesting your dreams. Intentions are powerful. They are like seeds we plant in the fertile ground of our subconscious minds. Each morning, set clear intentions for your day. What do you want to achieve? How do you want to feel? Visualize your intentions as already manifested. Feel the joy and gratitude as if they are already yours. Section 10. Living in alignment, the flow of abundance. When we live in alignment with our highest selves, we tap into the flow of abundance. This means living with purpose, authenticity, and joy. Trust your intuition. Follow your passions. Surround yourself with people who uplift and inspire you. When we are aligned with our true selves, we attract opportunities and experiences that are in harmony with our highest good. Section 11. Embrace the journey, love, gratitude, and a fulfilling life. Life is a journey of growth and transformation. There will be ups and downs, but by embracing love and gratitude, we can navigate these challenges with grace and resilience. Remember that you are worthy of love, joy, and abundance. Believe in your dreams. Embrace the journey with an open heart and a grateful spirit, and watch as your life unfolds in beautiful and unexpected ways.